In this video, we will walk you through the CloudVision onboarding process. To get started, look for the CloudVision welcome email from Arista. Then click on the URL to start your onboarding. Clicking on this link will take you to the Authentication Details section of the onboarding. Here you get to configure your own authentication provider that you use in your organization. Keep in mind, before you complete this section, you will need your company's authentication administrator to configure the following information about CloudVision in your system. Once you've done that from your end, the rest of the process should be fairly straightforward. Just pick the authentication provider. For Google and Microsoft, you don't need any additional details. For other providers, we will ask you to provide information such as endpoint, client ID, and client secret. Once you complete the auth information, hitting Next will prompt you to create your very first CloudVision user account. Here, watch out for a couple of important points. First, the email address. This email address has to match exactly to what you have configured in your SSO provider. Make sure to double check with your authentication administrator. The second is the username. Although you can pick any username here, CloudVision will use it when it sends config request to your iOS devices. This means if you want to configure your devices using CloudVision, this username should match with the username configured in your TACACS, Radius or local authentication in your iOS devices. Once you verify and enter your information, click Finish. That's it. We are done with the initial onboarding process, and now you will get automatically redirected to arista.io. Use your organization name to log in here. You can find the organization name in your welcome email as well. You will be asked to log in using the authentication provider credentials, and Arista will let your own auth provider complete the authentication process. Once it's successfully completed, you will be redirected to your own organization's CloudVision cluster. From here on, you will be able to onboard your devices to CloudVision. If you want to go back and edit the auth details you submitted, it should be under the Settings, Access Control, Providers section. To onboard other users in your organization, navigate to the Users, Add Users section. Again, we thank you for signing up with the CloudVision as a service. If you need any help or have any questions, feel free to reach us via support@arista.com.